Hey guys, let's have a look at a single crochet corner. This is a notorious trouble spot for losing the alignment of your diagonal on your project. If you miss getting cleanly into a corner space that has single crochet in it. And here's why. So here's a single crochet I've just made. I've made it very loosely. So I need you to see that there are three loops here for the single crochet. It's very hard, I know, but see this thread here? That belongs to the single crochet, but it does tend to open up a bit on a single crochet. On the leading edge of it, doesn't matter whether you're left hand or right hand, whichever way you're coming at it, you're going to see this is my chain space, and that's the back thread of the single crochet. It is so easy to accidentally go inside that back thread and make a mistake. I'm just going to run a few single crochet past it, so I'll show you what can happen if you're not aware of it and you're not consciously and actively looking for it. So there's my corner, right? So now I want to start a new corner, a new round with my yarn, or I'm coming around from another corner, it doesn't matter. But you hit this corner here. Now I'll just get some single crochet in here and just move around so you can see. Now here's my last single crochet here on this side, and now I've got to get into my corner to make some more stitches. It is so easy to just stab through like this and get in there, and look what I've done. I've actually caught that thread, and now my corner space has moved ever so. It's only a tiny little gap, but if you do that more than once or twice or three times on a square piece, your diagonal is going to start to shift. So your center will start to skew. There's many other reasons why the center skews as well. It has to do with stitch anatomy. But this is an easy one to fix. Just learning and being aware of the fact that if you've got some single crochet in that corner, you need to get in front of that loop, in front of it, and dead into the chain space. Doesn't matter which angle you're coming, left or right hand side, doesn't matter. You need to make sure that that stitch, those three elements of that stitch, stay together and you get cleanly under your chains. Alright, and then you can continue working, because you make your new corner and you put, again, you've got to be careful. Don't get inside that loop, because that'll split open your single crochet and you lose that stitch and your corner is now in the wrong spot. See? So your corner should be right in alignment with the other corner. The other corner's straight up. But if I had split that stitch, I would start to lose that corner. The whole corner would go out of whack. Just quickly try it and show you. So if I accidentally go over here and put my corner in over here, not only do I lose one stitch of my side and then my counts won't work, but you can probably, I don't know if you can, but you should be able to already see that the corner has moved from here to here. Now I'm out of alignment, and you cannot fix that later. You can't just block things and pull things out of the way, because every time it gets washed, it's going to move again, and it's cumulative. The more times you do this on a piece, the worse your twist and tilt is going to become. It's already going to tilt because of the way the stitches are, and your front loop's pushing your stitches away as it is. Most designers will have accommodated for that, but you would not be helping your case if you start splitting the stitch like I have here as a demonstration. You can see that loop, that blue loop there, belongs to the single crochet. My stitches should not be in there. They should be in front of that loop, ahead of it. So my single crochet corner needs to go like this, in front of that loop where I should be, and not inside it where I shouldn't be. So that's just a little bit of an explanation why sometimes centers skew. A well-written pattern will accommodate any twist that is resulting from stitch anatomy and the way the loops push. But this is something completely preventable by you. So keep an eye on that, and I'll show you on another current project I'm working. This is in cotton, and cotton is notorious for this for me. So there's that loop poking out, making itself a nuisance. Right there, you can see it right there. And I was very careful to get in ahead of it. If I stretch that, you can see the loop right there. Right there. You've got to be careful not to hit inside that. You've got to get your stitches where they need to be. These are my corner stitches right there. So anyway, I hope that helps people. That's one of the ways that a center will skew. Not the only way, but certainly one of them. Okay, catch you later.